Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, my name is Jin-Hyuk Her. I'm a Humphrey Fellow from South Korea. Right now, my host campus is University of Minnesota Humphrey Group, and I have job affiliation as an internship in U.S. Forest Service in Northern Resource Center in St. Paul. My project is planting trees to combat desertification. Why do I get interested in this project is that desertification is a huge problem globally, but there is not so much effort globally to combat desertification. There are many convention meetings to fight for desertification, but certainly the countries are not getting on the agreement. They are just criticizing each other. Here I want to suggest you that 3 simple solutions to combat desertification. Countries with enough money and resources, for example, Gulf oil exporting companies, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, they have resources to fight desertification. They can build seawater desalination facilities, which need a lot of money, millions of dollars to build one factory, and to maintain and to run this factory, it needs lots of money and resources. But most of the countries which have desert are developing or underdeveloped countries. So we need cost-benefit solutions to fight desertification. My first solution is that to use greenhouses to desalinate seawater. Most deserts are bordering with sea, like Sahara Desert, desert in Chile, or Saudi Arabian Peninsula Desert, or most bordering adjacent sea. So build these greenhouses alongside the seashore, and we pump the seawater inside these greenhouses, and because of there's a lot of sunlight in the desert area, this water evaporates and the water runs down through the surface, and eventually the salt and fresh water divided. We sell the salt to get money and reinvent it to more facilities or to pay the worker payment or salary, and we use fresh water to trees and fruits. My second solution is like this. Okay. Okay. The second solution is digging small water reservoir, and the binding coating is inner side to hold seasonal rainfall. The main problem of desert is that the precipitation is mostly very seasonal. Only in winter or autumn for 2 months or 1 month is the only rainy season in this area. So, and the second problem is this: because of the surface of the deserts are very glassy. The water runs through very fast because there's no tree, and the surface of soil doesn't hold the water. So we dig a hole, kind of a small reservoir, and we vinyl coating it so as to not the water run through it, and we use the water to plant trees around. In this picture, it's like a pond, but the actual, I think, my suggestion is the actual image should be like a spider web of ditches, and because this kind of open surface if the sun is very strong, the water evaporation is very severe. So the actual image is like a spider web ditches, and the shades of trees stops the evaporation. My third solution is that using wadi. Wadi is Arabic word. Seasonal water course or dry stream bed. During the not raining seasons, these valleys or canyons are very dry. We put a small dam alongside the wadi, and after rainy season, we hold water and we use the water to plant trees. In Korea, in 1953, after the Korean War, the whole country looked like this. There's no trees on the mountain. It's like desert area. Because people use the trees as their to warm their house, to cook their food, and also because of the war, all the trees were cut down. And for 30 years or 40 years, we grow trees like this. We have experience of building forests in this area. So I think there are many things to learn about Korea. I can provide it. The merit of this project is that we use natural surroundings, the sun, the seawater, the winter lane, canyon, and valley. There they are. We don't need cost to build it. And also low investment, high efficiency. As I mentioned, desalination factories in Gulf countries are very expensive factories. Actually, Korean companies do some heavy industry is the main provider. But my suggestion, I think, is that the easy to start, inexpensive and maintain. It's just inexpensive to maintain and eco-friendly. The benefits of the hosting countries are they can use the green land to provide food. So there's they'll increase the food security. So the land value will increase, and they will create jobs there. So this means we can put some more small effort, and also we change the mallet circle to virtual circle. So thank you for giving me.